Hey everybody, it's Paul from Aerographical, and today we're going to be looking at the vertical speed indicator and how we animate it within PowerPoint if you choose to do so. Quite simple. First things first, we're going to insert our graphics. I'm going to just navigate to where these graphics are on my PC. I'm going to use the round background today, so insert that like that, and then go to insert again, and I'm going to insert the pointer as well. Both of them should come in the exact same position because the way they've sized the images when I built them. But if you have to move it around, you can see there's a little white dot in the middle there, and it'll give you a bit of a heads up on where the pointer should be. So when we rotate it there, it works really well. Okay, now the easiest way to animate within PowerPoint is by using the Morph Transition. And if you have PowerPoint 2016 or Office 365, the Morph Transition will be part of this product you've got in front of your PowerPoint. If I was to select Control D, and I'm just going to duplicate that slide 4 times, so you can see I've got 4 versions. Now on the second slide, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that up to 10. Second one I'm going to leave at 0, and the third one I'm going to then animate that down to just past 5. Now if I was to go to transitions, I can now select the morph transition. So select that slide, morph, that slide, morph, that side, and morph. Now you can see when I press Shift and F5 to run the animation from the current frame, if I click through now, you can see the morph modifier now animates the needle up and down the dial. So that's the easiest way of doing animations using the graphics packs. So we're going to be just using the morph transition, and it's very, very easy. Just going to duplicate the last slide again. I'm going to put that back to 0, and in this one I'm just going to very briefly look at the traditional size of animation within PowerPoint. If I go to the animations tab there, I'm going to open the animations pane, and with the pointer selected, I'm going to add an animation. I'm just going to go spin. You can see now that spins completely right round, which we don't want. So just drop that down and go to effect options. And what that allows us to do is just make some slight changes to the animation. So I'm going to give it a smooth end, smooth start. And for the animation wise, the first one I'm going to keep it clockwise, but I'm going to go to 45 degrees, okay? And I'm going to auto reverse it actually, so what happens with it, it'll go to 45 degrees and then go back down to 0. So you can see now it animates up and then animates back down to 0. Quite simple. Now to add another animation, select that one again, add animation, and I'm going to add another spin. This time, what I'm going to do is, again, effect options, smooth start, smooth end, and this time I'm going to go counterclockwise, and I'm going to do it say 85 degrees. I think that's probably around about 10. So press enter to get that to go in. Timing wise, again, if you want to slow it down you can, but for the first one I just left at 2. This one we can go a bit further, we'll go 3. So you can see now that will go down to 10. So Shift F5, first click, animates up to 5 and back down because I put that auto reverse on. Next click, it then goes all the way down to 10 and stays there because there's no auto reverse. So that's as easy as it is to animate. It's a very easy instrument to animate. So you've got the morph and also the traditional methods as well. So hope you enjoy animating, and as always, any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thanks very much for watching.